Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I've found something that is organizing all of my countertop clutter. I just love this acrylic makeup organizer from AITEE. Look how beautiful the little knobs are on the drawer. They have this crystal look to them, and I think it is just beautiful. This is thicker acrylic than other boxes that I've had that are similar to this, and I can tell it's a much better quality. It's so nice and convenient that these are clear because I can see inside for all the junk that I'm looking for. I also love that they are exactly the size that fits my 15 ml essential oil bottles. They slide in so smoothly and snugly, and it just makes it so easy to store and locate my bottles. Plus, because this is all enclosed, it keeps the dust off of them, which I really like because dusting all those tiny little bottles is a pain. I have found so many uses for this makeup organizer. It fits my hair supplies, earrings, glasses, just odds and ends. And I love that I can use it in so many different areas of my home. I've realized that I need like 10 more of these because I have so much clutter and it just makes it look so cute and organized. I'm so pleased with this acrylic box, and I know that you will be too. And that's my point of view.